you just did?
Lucas, come here.
Do you know what you just did?
Oh, okay, that was too fast. Too fast. So again, get your balance. Get your balance. Annabelle, akta dig. Annabelle, akta dig.
Good job, Luki.
Annabelle, du får inte stå i vägen när han försöker gå. Kom här, kom här.
Good job,
Do it
Luki.
again. Do it again. Do it again.
Come here, mommy, Luki. Come here.
Okej, akta dig, Annabelle.
Come here, Luki.
What was that? Come here.
Come here, Luke. Yay!
Got distracted.
Yay! That's awesome!